nagising. Although, nakatulog tayo siguro ng mga alas 3. Hindi kasi ako makatulog. And inaantay kong ma-upload yung vlog ko and matuyo yung buhok ko. Tapos, ngayon nagising ako, nasakit ng batok ko, medyo masakit. And, ang sakit-sakit ng tiyan ko. Ayaw na naman ma-upload. Mag-reload. Naglolo ko na naman internet ng ano ko. Sa harap naglo-loading yan. Tingnan ko ang labas. Basa yung daan. And mukhang uulan. Yeah, uulan. For sure uulan kasi chinek ko na yung weather kahapon. Sabi, uulan hanggang Monday. Uulan hanggang Monday. Ayusin ko muna tong ayan na. Ayusin ko muna tong kama ko. Wait, tingnan ko muna to. Ang dilim. Ay, ito na naman pala ang suot ko. Makikita na naman ako, mahirapan na naman ako mag-edit. Kasi, although papilok siya, lumuluwa pag gimulo ko, parang susuka. Hindi, pag gimulo ko ang ganun. Kasi, meron akong video na nagbabalot yata ako ng gift nun. Tapos, oh my gosh, nahirapan ako sa pag-edit nun. Although, nakaupo lang naman ako sa isang lugar. Tapos, nakayuko ko ganun. Yung timing ng pag-cover, pag-blur ng aking ladies ang hirap. Ang hirap blur ng mga ako. Dinidiri ko yung pag-ayos ng kama ko. Ano talaga ba? 8:53 a.m. Okay. Let's wait for you. Baka ma-upload ka today. Today is schedule ko ng 10 a.m. Anyways. Kailangan na natin tumayo. Nandiyan na yung mga makukulit. Yak. Hey Siri, set timer for an hour 48.
For how long? 1 hour and 48 minutes. Counting down. For how long?
No, thank you.
No problem. I will.
Bye.
Okay.
sana mag-edit today kaso lang hindi pwede kasi dito yung makukulit na yun. And mabibisi tayo today and tomorrow kasi tomorrow na yung madali dito gender reveal ni Grace. You stay downstairs and watch TV. Hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko. Nagbabasa lang ako ng messages. Yep, heels na. Wait lang, kilams ko. Mia, what are you doing? Sit down with Nina. Come. Come here. Let me see what you're doing. Amia. What you doing? Go get your book. Nanonood siya kanina. Busy siya sa book niya. Papatayin ko sana yung TV. Titignan ko kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. Amia? What happened? Wala siyang reaction. Wala. Tinignan lang niya ako. Wala siyang pake. Busy siya sa book niya. What is that book, Amia? Amelia. You want more stickers? Come to Nina. Come beside me, please.
Okay.
Bring your book. Bring your book. Kunin mo yung book mo.
I'm sorry, but you stink. Yeah. When was the last time she had a bath?
Tina's never had a bath. And we're not having a bath either.
Hey, what? Whose tooth is this? It's huge.
Is this Tina?
Brush your teeth.
Amelia.
It's because there's a good
Why are you so busy?
But when we asked Dad why, he just said, because I said so. Yeah, he says we have to because he's
Huh?
enough.
What is that?
Maybe I should just give him 3 seconds.
You kiss Nina?
We'll probably still say
Come kiss Nina.
we're busy. Now we know what we really need.
I love you.
Like, what, you know,
I love you so much.
hello. Would you like to come to my cafe? Why, yes.
Yeah. What do you want to watch?
A ball already kicked. Don't play. I want to play.
You don't like Mama and the Kid? Don't touch your bum bum.
I want to watch Bobo Lady Kicked.
Lolo and the Kid.
Yes.
No, I want to watch Mama and the Son.
Mama and his Hey, play it, please.
Hey, this is Nina's.
Hey! Hey, I want to start it!
Okay, no crying.
I want to start it, please.
It's like you're watching Filipino movie.
Mm. Can I start, please?
Okay, let's watch.
Yay!
Let me watch now, okay? Hey, why you grabbing? You have your own. Let me watch movie, okay?
Okay. That's me.
Yeah, that's you.
With my mask on.
Where's my remote?
I don't know.
In my pocket. Grabe yung weather outside. Dilim. Tapos ko lang manood ng movie. And yung dalawa, nilayasan ako sa baba. Tumaas sila tapos pumunta sila sa kwarto ni Kenneth, yung brother ko. Nanonood sila ngayon doon. And yeah, pwede tayong mag-edit kasi lahat ng bata ay nasa taas. Tabi lang natin sila ng kwarto. Tabi kwarto lang kami. Kaya makapag-edit ako. And yeah. Iniwanan kong nakabukas ito para makapag-upload ako ng isang video. And guess what? Nawalan siya ng internet. And re-upload ko siya. But that's fine. I will edit one more video. Ano ba yung last na? Yung ito yata, yung August 11. Yup. August 11. I-edit. Let's edit that. Eighteen clips. Wow. Nakakatakot yung kulog sa labas. Grabe. Kanina nanonood ako ng movie, kumukulog sa labas. And nakinood si Papa. Now, siya yung nanonood sa baba. Binigay ko na lang sa kanya yung remote. Kasi walang bagong Filipino movie. And he likes to watch yung Korean drama. Hindi naman ako nanonood ng mga ganun kasi tinatamad ako magbasa ng subtitles. But nanonood ako noon pag nag-i-English sila. Headset. Kain guys, tapos ko lang mag-edit ng isang video. Kaya kumuha ako ng pagkain ko sa baba. Chicken curry. Luto ni Mama kahapon. And then ito palang pinatas namin kahapon ni Eva. Nagdala din ako. Ay. Maalala ko nga pala. Kachat ko yung kaklase ko. Ewan ko kung tulog na. Kasi nung kausap ko siya around 10 p.m. nila at 2 namin. So, siguro tulog na yun. Napanaginipan ko kasi siya. Tapos, ayun, minessage ko siya. Tapos nagkwentuhan kami. And, last usap pa pala namin nung 2019 daw, sabi niya. Actually, hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan yung last usap namin. Grabe lakas ng ulan sa labas. Good luck tomorrow kasi tomorrow is gender reveal na nga ni Chris. Maaraw umuulan.